We have a classical case of a Chukchwang problem, that we have only to find a waiting move, because sometimes in the game you have such positions, because every move of black there is mate in one. Let's see, let's go piece by piece. If the rook goes away, then we have mat here, because the rook is not here anymore, F4. Now if the rook goes here, it blocks the bishop, then we have this one. Yes. Okay, now the bishop. If the bishop goes there, we mate. If the bishop goes there, we mate. If the bishop goes there, he is blocking the pawn. Then we have what mate? This mate. So, it's very nice. And if the bishop goes there, he blocks the rook. So we have mate here. Now we go, the knight cannot go. If the pawn goes here, what does he block? What does he block if he goes here? Yes, and then we can give this mate. And look how nice, every move only one mate. Different mates, it's very nice. If the pawn goes there, what do we play? Yes, because it blocks, it's a self-block of the king. Beautiful, huh? So every move weakens something for black. Now we go to these guys, because this cannot go. So if the rook goes back, then the rook can mate. If the rook takes, then it's mate. Every move, yeah. What is this? What move? What's this? Zaduk, say Zaduk. Yeah, exactly. If the rook goes here, he blocks the bishop, and then we mate. So beautiful, huh? Now we have to play with the bishop. If the bishop goes there, we take. The bishop goes there, he blocks the rook. If the bishop goes here, it's illegal. So we have no moves anymore. So we only have to see what waiting move we should choose. Because if we go with all these pieces that give mate, we might spoil one of the mates. There is only one piece which doesn't give mate. It is this bishop. But we still need to pin the knight. If we goes there, it could be nice, but then he takes, and this is not mate because the knight is not pinned anymore. Yeah? So the only move is Reiner move, is Loper Bedri. It's a logical problem. We check every move, because if we try to find a waiting move with the knight, then we will not have those mates. With the rook, we will not have either this or that if we move. Yes? Because if we take, for example, we want to mate, he will come here. And no mate. Nice, huh? So you don't ask yourself how this will help me in the game, because it has nothing to do with the game. It's only this is mate.
Yes.
No, it's mate.
Yeah, so, if the bishop goes there, it's check, and you don't have mate.
It's check. That is correct. That's how, very good, Orphan. That's how the composer made this trick, that it will be check. So this check and no mate next move. So there is only NZ, Alain Loper Bedri. I think it's very nice. Yeah? So sometimes if you don't find a dry fin, you just look if after every move of black there is mate, and you look for a waiting move. Sometimes it's very tricky, because the waiting move is changing all the mates also, because it changes something in the position, but not here. Here you just need to find a good waiting move, and that's the solution.